Hi guys, I am Kunika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today the topic of our discussion is how to stop buying things we don't need. So इसके पहले मैंने एक वीडियो अपलोड किया था जिसमें we saw that how did I end up buying everything I did not need. तो अगर आपने वो वीडियो अभी तक नहीं देखा है then please go and watch it. मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर रही हूँ. So we've always heard about the solutions where we ask ourselves a few questions like why do I need this thing, or do I really need this thing, or is it really worth it, until when I'm going to use it, etc etc etc. So जिसके लिए भी ये टेक्निक काम करती है, kudos to you guys because they have a lot of control over their mind, because whenever I used to ask these questions to myself, I used to land upon a thought that I want to buy what I want to buy. So I had to really come up with a few tips and tricks that really stopped me from buying things I didn't need, and today we'll be talking about those 5 tips, that those 5 realistic approaches that are really going to help you, and you will really be able to stop and put an end to the purchases you actually don't need. So stay.
So if you're a shopaholic, then this is probably how your phone is going to look like, full of shopping apps. So the first step is to actually get rid of those apps. So please show some courage and don't be afraid of deleting those apps. Delete those apps and stop shopping mindlessly right now and hit the delete button.
So the second tip is to declutter your space. Now what is decluttering? So decluttering is clearing out your space and arranging your space properly. So for example, let's take an example of buying new clothes. Most of us end up buying new clothes thinking that we don't have good clothes, but we actually have a pile of clothes that is not arranged properly. So it's very important that you arrange your clothes properly. You clear out your wardrobe of clothes that you don't wear anymore, things that you don't need anymore, so that you have a clearer picture of what you actually want and what you actually don't want. So declutter your space, and I'm sure you will put an end to impulse purchases right away. So we deleted the shopping apps ताकि free time में scroll करके हम shopping ना करें. So even after that, if we end up on the websites of those shopping apps, फिर कौन बचाएगा? So for this also we can play a little trick with our mind. So what you can do is you can actually choose the products you want, and if you put them in your cart, you don't have to check out yet. You have to wait for 24 hours to check out from that page. So you have to forget about that cart for 24 hours. You showed the courage to actually delete those shopping apps. So I'm sure you can show a little more courage and have a little self-control and not buy those products yet. So just wait for 24 hours, and I hope if you try this tip, by the end of those 24 hours you won't feel the need to buy those products.
So I saw a bag online and I really wanted to buy it, but before that I wanted to see how many bags I actually have. So as you can see, I already have so many bags, I haven't even used them.
So as you can see that buying another bag is not going to create a lot of difference to me, but if I use that money to something better, then it is going to create a lot of difference. For example, if you have a small home-based business, then you can always use that money to grow that business. Secondly, if you like traveling, then you'll be amazed with the fact that how much not shopping mindlessly can save you when you can actually plan a trip and make memories instead of buying things we don't need. Thirdly, it's very important to make money out of money. So you can always think about investing that money into equity or SIP and save up, and then use that amount to something better than actually buying things we don't need. So the last tip is satisfying your shopping urge every now and then. So if you're a shopaholic, then I would highly recommend that you do not stop buying things immediately, because you might get frustrated and you might end up spending a lot more money than you usually do. So it is very important that you take it slow and steady, and make sure that you have a good self-control, and then every once in a while you should treat yourself to something, and you should always satisfy that urge of yours to shop. But while you do that, you have to take care that you always put that money to quality and not focus on quantity. So have that self-control and you'll be fine, and I'm sure that these tips are going to help you to actually stop buying things that you actually don't need. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, then please hit that like button, and if you have any more suggestions, then please mention them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.